The Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) has arrested a 22-year-old man from Pune accused of being the mastermind behind the kidnapping and death of two teenagers, Linthoingambi and Hemanjit, in Manipur, authorities said Thursday. On Wednesday, a CBI special investigation team detained Paulun Mang, 22 years, in Pune and sent him to Guwahati, Assam. He was subsequently transported to court, where the court granted custody of the accused till October 16. The CBI believes Paulun Mang is the mastermind behind the case that has aroused nationwide fury, according to authorities. On October 1st, the CBI apprehended two males, Paumin Lun Haukip and Smalson Haukip, and two women, Hingnai Chong Baite Kuki and Tinnel Hing Henthang, in Manipur's Churachandpur district. They were also sent to Guwahati. The two teens had gone missing on July 6. Photos of their bodies surfaced on social media on September 25th, leading to protest by students in Manipur's capital, Imphal. After committing the crime, accused Paulun Mang was hiding in Pune.